Welcome back you guys to another video. In this video, we'll be going over Softbank's newly filed SPAC. This will be a fantastic growth opportunity before the SPAC actually hits the market. It should be tradable in the market early next year. Make sure to stay tuned for the ticker symbol to be added into your watch list and be ahead of the curve. If you're new here, welcome to Options Tempo, where we attempt to enter our trades and investments at the best possible time. When it comes to options, timing is everything. I like to invest heavily in stocks and use options as a tool to supplement my stock positions. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Tempo community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. Softbank is a Japanese multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in Minato, Tokyo. Softbank owns stakes in many technology, energy, and financial companies. It also runs Vision Fund, the world's largest technology-focused venture capital fund with over $100 billion in capital. The company is known for its leadership by founder Masayoshi Son. It operates in broadband, fixed-line telecommunications, e-commerce, internet, technology services, finance, media and marketing, semiconductor design, and other areas. Softbank was ranked in the Forbes Global 2000 list as the 36th largest public company in the world and the second largest publicly traded company in Japan after Toyota. 1 week ago, on December 20th, Softbank files for a SPAC. This immediately caught my attention. We are seeing heavy hitters entering the SPAC market and have big money flooding into new growth opportunities. I'm very concerned with the current market conditions. Every big investment fund and companies are either doing stock buybacks or raising capital for new companies to hit the market via traditional IPOs or SPACs. Our world economy is being artificially sustained by ghost money, but the actions of the market participants are acting like the boom of a new economic explosion to the upside with endless opportunities. I must say I'm a bit concerned and only bring this up for market awareness and think about while considering new investments. As for me, I understand the situation. My account positions scream bull market for days, with a small 2% portfolio options hedge at any given time, just in case for a black swan event. I went a little off topic, but I think this was a good time to bring it up in the middle of this SPAC boom. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to join our Options Tempo community. And always, timing is everything. Get notified so that you don't miss an opportunity. Now let's get back to business. Softbank is raising between $500 to $600 million via an IPO of its first SPAC. Looking ahead, they also stated they will be prepping at least 2 additional SPACs, which are blank check vehicles that raise money to buy a company and take it public via reverse merger. It also states that the SPAC is intended to buy a company in which Softbank has not previously invested. On December 21st, we had an update about the deal and revealing the ticker symbol. SPACs raise money from investors in an initial public offering with the goal of identifying and merging with an operating company, typically within 2 years. Softbank's vehicle, called SVF Investment, plans to target companies in similar mold to its Vision Fund venture capital behemoth. Its IPO filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission on Monday lists disruptor, visionary founders, and large market opportunity acquisition criteria. The prospectus note that Softbank has investments and relationships with more than 100 growth stage companies around the world, and that some of them may be attractive targets for its SPAC. The SPAC CEO will be Rajiv Misra, the chief of Softbank's investment unit and the Vision Fund. We intersected with many compelling companies that wanted our support at IPO and beyond, but we lacked the vehicle to partner with them, reads SVF Investment IPO filing. This trend has only increased over the past year as more companies have decided to list publicly. Our SPAC will bridge Softbank's private and public investing strategies by enabling us to partner with a fast-growing, IPO-ready technology company. Some startups that Vision Fund had invested, such as Opendoor, have gone public via SPACs this year, while others like DoorDash have taken the traditional IPO route. Sponsoring a SPAC would allow Softbank to diversify its sources of funding. The Japanese telecom company turned investment firm has been in divestment mode lately, tendering its stakes in wireless company T-Mobile and chip designer ARM, plus other assets. Softbank has used those proceeds to buy back stock and pay down debt, and it also reportedly discussed going private. SVF Investment will debut on the Nasdaq exchange by selling $10 units under the symbol SVFAU. Those will consist of a common share and 1/4 of a warrant, essentially a call option, which is exercisable at $11.50 after the SPAC's potential merger closes. Within a few months of going public, SVF investment units will split, and shares and warrants will be able to trade separately under the ticker symbol SVFA and SVFAW. The $525 million offering of 52.5 million units includes an underwriter's over-allotment option for another 7.9 million units, which could bring the SPAC's IPO total to $604 million. The offering joint book running managers are Citigroup, Deutsche Bank, and Cantor. I would like to thank all my new subscribers. I appreciate your engagements. I try my best to bring the most thorough research in a short amount of time and publishing the videos as soon as I hear the news. If you made it this far and is not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I put a minimum of 6 hours of research and production into any of my videos to bring the best trading and investing opportunities. Also, make sure to stay tuned into the channel. I'll be releasing my portfolio, my positions, and my year-to-date performance on my account, so make sure to stay tuned for that coming up in the next few days. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more trading and investing ideas. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. I trade and invest very aggressively for rapid growth according to my risk tolerance.